I think that's overcomplicating it. I really try to keep it simple for small cap trading. Trading futures and forex and large caps is a very different use different indicators. It's a different system, different process. So just sing tight.
CPI numbers came out in the pre-market, and because of that, the whole overall stock market. Now, what happened on SPY? SPY closed at 770.56 yesterday, literally at 774 right now, made a massive push towards the upside. We would say it's quite decent push towards the upside. These are the levels that I'll be watching for the upside. These are the levels that I'll be watching for the downside. Now, you need to understand the IV, right at the market open, will be significantly pumped up. Why? Because a lot of people were anticipating a big move. The big move has happened. Did the big move happen according to what they were expecting or not? That's where IV comes in, implied volatility. Implied volatility when the and right at the market open after a big event, IV usually goes down a little bit. When the IV goes down, your contracts become a little bit less expensive. They start dropping the price as well. Even the trade moves in your favor, the contracts can still go against you. Now, here's the plan for QQQs because there's a massive actual physical visual gap up. So, what I'll be doing is right at the market open, I'll keep an eye on this pre market high area. If this pre market high area breaks and fails, and somehow I'm able to time the entry properly, and if I see it bearish based on the tape, I'll be taking a trade towards the downside, and that's my trade right at the market open. If you want to live trade with me every single day, as you see all these Zoom links, comment the word live, and I'll send you the link right away. All right, guys. Let's do this. AMD 20 more minutes. The goal is not to lose too much money in the IV settlement phase. All right, here's the plan. All right, regardless of what the numbers look like, you need to pay attention to how the price action, what the price action look like right now. The price action looks bullish. So right at the market open, right off the bat, I know for a fact a lot of you guys want to go long straight away. I would recommend take it easy, sit back, don't do dumb shit. Well, I promise you, we'll get something really nice. This week has been slow, and you've been trading slow along with it. You understand? I just know for a fact around the market open, first 10 15 minutes, the IV is going to be settling down. Just the goal is not to lose too much money in the IV settlement phase. Right? Because I promise you, there's a lot of you guys have a solid bias already on the day. Or do you think market can only do certain thing? That probably will hurt you. Right? Right at the market open, IV would be a little bit disgusting. You can also use sucker strategy right at the market open. Essentially, like for example, there's a gap right here. Essentially, if we try to make a new highs on QQQs and then fails the pre-market high, we'll probably look for a bull play. Um, right? There's all done my 933. What do you feel? We use Fibonacci extensions, find levels simple. AMD, don't move averages here. Pre-market lows here. Pre-market highs here. This area. This area. This area. Yeah. All right, this is AMD. Let's go Meta. Bang, bang, bang. Meta. Microsoft. Microsoft. Then comes Nvidia. I think the levels, drawing levels, pretty much quite easy today. Pre-market, pre-market, we have yesterday's range. We have price action. Okay, make drawing levels is a little bit easier across the board. I feel like we're not hunting for levels. The levels are just coming to us. Pre-market low, pre-market high. Yeah, I'll watch QQQs for sucker strategy. That's a one setup. ELTR, last time was Tesla. Bam, 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 bam. Three levels upside, three levels downside, you know the drill. That's it. There you go. This is it. I'll see you guys later. Peace. All right, let's have a look. Come on, contracts, get your fucking ass up. It took a minute for the contracts to load. Let's see. A little and shit. I don't know. Hey, was anybody able to execute a fucking make the fucking contract took too long? Far out.
Even kick board smash.
Bro, I swear to God, my contract's loaded. By the time the contract's loaded, I try to place an order. It's still fucking loaded. Oh my God, it's too quick. It's too quick. Ah, $100 a contract. If anybody did that, congratulations. Holy moly. Read the contract.
Did anyone took Tesla? Okay.
Yeah, for hey, how many people in the chat actually took the QQQ plays? That shit should have fucking moved, darling. Good in it. Not bad. Yeah, my broker wasn't loaded, man. It is what it is. On the next one. This is Bob right at the bottom. Please take some profits. 725 level. Big move. No problem. Whosoever took that should be done for the day, by the way. Hey, it should be done for the day. Like, I'm one. All right. Anything else, Lee? For the suckers? No.
Let's go. And QQQ puts got in pretty late.
Arvind, I'm on a vacation. I took the QQQs and now I'm back to enjoy my vacation. Thanks for the pre-market video. Come on, living the life, my brother. I'm gonna send an invoice, but don't enjoy too much. Hey, don't be enjoying too much now. Hey man, he had to rub it twice, yo. Hey, darling, he had to rub it 3 times. He said I'm on a vacation. That fuck, I'm stuck at home. Second, he had to say I took the QQQs. Third, he said I'm going back to the vacation. Chat. Look at that. Very good. Let's wait for nice, some sexy play. That's a life. That's a trader's dream, isn't it? All right, the first 5 minutes are done. That means the window for sucker strategy is gone. Nvidia is at 0.5. So let's see what Tesla does. The Tesla previous day low sitting right there. If it gives us a solid enough entry. Opt out. You don't want to opt out, bro. That's how lucky you are to see that. Again, darling. It's SPY, but there's a 400 moving average at the bottom, man, on a 5-minute chart to shower. That's SPY. If the risk to reward looks decent for you, where you're risking 40 cents for a potential move, yeah, and 77.50. Thank you. Let's see if we have. I like that Tesla chart. Tesla chart looks not bad. Tesla has yesterday's low sitting at the bottom, previous day low.
I'll keep an eye on Google, guys, for LTP puts as well, alongside broke the indicator level, but it will be the break of previous LI.
Yeah, the same. It's the same thing on Tesla as well. If we do take a trade below low of the day, um, below 329.9, let's say stop loss is going to be 331.3. The bet would be that it breaks previous day low and then gets down to 328.3, which is KCU indicator level.
Let's see how we go with Google.
The Google looks nice too.
You 40.85 will be the first. Yes, I'm in Google puts. Adrian. We not. 340.85 will be the first target. It was low, guys. I know PC was big. The reason it goes below the previous day low gives me the high confirmation on that.
Tesla looks like a beautiful patience candle here. It's quite tight as comparatively to the previous one below 330.2. Watching Tesla below 330.2.
Sexy.
Partially filled. Order partially filled. Order filled.
I'm in Tesla puts. The bet is that we have taken a calculated risk that if it breaks below previous day low, That's a bet I'm willing to take, and because the level is sitting right there, I'm not willing to take a big position size. Um, so let's see if it breaks below yesterday's low. I think we should be the area should be clear. The 5 minute chart looks bearish. Broke below in one freaking candle right at the market open. Broke below the pre-market low. We waited for a pullback. First pullback, we got it. Pretty much yesterday's whole range got covered in one first 5 minute candle. Insane. So far, the ORB lows is setting up around. There's still 4 minutes to go for the ORB low to fully form, but so far the level is sitting at 329.6 for the ORB low. SPY bouncing off the 400 moving average on a 5 minute chart. Tesla fill price try. Yeah, mine is I think 2.34. Uh, yeah, 2.34. Quite cool. Yeah, it's we'll see. First trade of the day, baby. That's why we do first trade of the day, small position size, so we can test the waters. Let's see.
Until holding, bids and ask holding.
Break below 330, darling. Tesla, don't be a bitch. Mm. Let's see if we can make a new low of the day on Tesla. Should be good to go. Come on, darling. Get your ass below 329.5. That's yesterday's low. After that, we could.
He's gonna melt the man once that.
Yeah, it's breaking below. It's trying to get below the 0.5 area. It's trying. The bid and ask are trying. The ask still. The sellers still wanna get a little bit higher price than that. But I think confirmation would be 329 fully break. It's up 10% right now. I want to see it break below 329. I think this is good to go. We have a winner on the hand.
You guys are looking sexy, man.
Breaks. Tesla made a new low of the day, broke below previous day low, but the volume. If I'm in the trade right now, every single part of my brain wants to believe this is a setup. But if I analyze the chart right now, what's happening? It broke below yesterday's low. The volume is on the 2 minute chart. The volume looks quite trashy. That is giving me a very uh, not the best vibe. So I'm gonna bring my stop loss down probably 330-ish, just in case, rather than original stop loss, just in case if I am right about this. The second thing you can do is you probably can take a little bit off right now if you want to, and just have your first, as in trade for first trade for the day, as in a little bit green. If that's a plan, you can do so as well. You understand what I'm saying? This is kind of this stuff.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this stuff is called like based off the new information, having a new decision, making a new decision based off the new information. I am still in as it's still holding below previous day low, but let's see if the bid and ask can hold below. So far, bid and ask are holding below previous day low. If 329 breaks, I think we should be good to go. Kind of a whole number. People might put their stop losses there, 329, like, oh, 50 cents, not bad. Broke above previous day low, 329.6-ish. If anybody has taken a change of, should be good. Let's see how this 2 minute candle closes. 10 seconds to go. Nvidia just made a big move towards the upside. Talon, Nvidia, what's wrong with you?
I get your ass on QQQs. Come on.
Yeah. Tesla C 329 break. Come on, darling. Get your ass down. You got this. I want
There you go.
329 bids are sitting every time the bids get there. Buyers come in out of the blue. 329. The buyers will move aside fully. So buyers could also be coming in. They're like, oh, stop loss is just sitting below 329. Let me just try one more time. So that could be the reason, which keeps making the prices bounce. And it keeps getting above yesterday's low. Nvidia nearly half the day. Nvidia above the VWAP. We have SPY sitting at 400 moving average. QQQ has a VWAP at the bottom.
You don't take basketball bonds here. Looks not
It
bad.
doesn't look terrible. I was just thinking about it. Guys, if you want to close again, I'll keep telling you. If you want to close your Tesla, you can shave half off. You're still a little bit in profit. You understand what I'm saying? Just in case if this bitch decided to hurt you because the contract, the charts look all right, but 329 needs to go ASAP. Doing a small bounce on this is a basketball bounce.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Small little bounce for basketball. Watching SPY 773 calls for basketball setup. Again, not the craziest position size. Fuck me, those contracts moving, bro. Hello? They're up 10% already. Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly. Those contracts going, baby. Hey, take a little bit profits on that. Take a little bit profits on the on the SPX, please.
Order partially filled.
Bad green on the day.
Order filled.
Take a little bit. Oh my goodness, talent. That bitch moved 30%. What a quick move. This popped so quick. Um, good trade. I think a couple good trades in the morning already, bro. Couple good trades in the morning already. I think I think open price on open price on SPX, open price on QQQ, open price on QQQ would be really decent. If 329 doesn't break now, man, it's time to close the fucking Tesla. It looks nice, but previous 5 minute candle kind of giving me the doji candle vibes, you know. Kind of a bit of like advanced rebop looking good on SPY as well, so we can add to this winning trade, you know.
Yeah, advanced VWAP looks sexy, man.
Yeah, we can add to this winning trade. The trade already is up significant with us, 329 breaking on this Tesla.
let's see, advanced view up right here. I think it looks decent for an ad right now, darling, for this SPY.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
All right, nice move on this Tesla, guys. Take if you want to take a little bit off, please feel free to take some off. KCU indicator level approaching 20%, not bad. All right, KCU indicator right here. KCU indicator level right here, 25%. Please take a little bit off on this Tesla.
Order partially filled.
Okay, man.
Order filled.
Good, good. One. Nice. Fuck yeah. Absolutely beautiful. What's your full price on SPY? I did SPX before. That really moved. Didn't do SPY, but let's see. Hold your runners on this Tesla if you're still in. I think SPY overall position. If you are in overall position, but just overall position turned into fucking little bit red. I'm gonna shave SPY. Probably gonna cut SPY.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Not bad. Hey, did you guys take profits at the top, by the way, on this SPY? Yeah, I know the advanced view up did,
Yes.
but did you take profits at the top? That's what matters.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I think Tesla next level is going to be 326.6. But if it gives us another entry on Tesla, then we'll be taking it. Nah,
And Tesla was today. You were right.
yeah, Tesla broke the 329. A lot of stop losses would have been there, made a very quick move towards the downside.
Remember, you said very early. We found the winner for the day.
Yeah, 329 broke. We found the winner for the day. It's outside the NTZ. Now we just need to wait for see if we can get multiple entries on it. And then we keep smacking it. Clearly, it doesn't really give a fuck about SPY getting above the pre-market. SPY getting above the VWAP. It didn't care about VWAP. QQQ's getting above the VWAP. It just kind of stayed the same. Bitch. Meta going. Your okay, let's see. So we're looking for 30-second over. Now I'll stick to 2 minutes. What is Tesla for now?
Bounce, we caught the bounce and everything flushed.
It's gotta be. Fuck. What next, my brother? Who's too bad?
I'm still in fucking stupid Google.
There's a reason why I don't pay Google, dude. You understand what I'm saying? I just move. Like, what's the point?
It was up good, but I didn't took profits, man. Anyway, it was the first trade. But caught beautiful Tesla SPX. I'm watching the video. I'll see if I get something on the video.
Nvidia, I was thinking about Nvidia right now. If you want to do a little bounce, let's say there's an ORB level sitting there. There's an ATMA on the 2 minute chart sitting there. There's two level sitting at the bottom. It can be if it's ain't gonna be Nvidia for a quick little scalp as a bounce. I don't know what's it gonna be. Just the market looks a little bit bearish, but we are not in mark. You know, there's a 7750 level sitting right here as well. QQQ has a VWAP sitting right here as well. I think the likelihoods of this Nvidia trade working is significantly stacked in our favor. Um,
Yo,
And them 222.5 contracts looking all right.
Yeah, I'm out of Google. I will watch NVIDIA and PLTR.
Order partially filled.
PLTR for LTP puts and NVIDIA for calls here and LTP bounds always.
Yo,
And ask for, all right, PLTR guys look sexy.
All right, congratulations, Tesla, baby. Congratulations, Tesla. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that Tesla, darling. Tesla, hello, darling. Hello, baby. How's the day going, baby? Come on, get your fucking ass down, bitch. Bro, 60%. Let's go. Are you in Nvidia? Yeah. I'm in Nvidia, bro. I took that little bounce. I want to see how it goes. I think the stop loss is so fucking small on that. It just makes so much sense to do it, especially while the market is moving down. It's still holding the area. If the market decides to bounce because there's a 200 moving average and the ORB low approaching on QQQs and 200 moving average on SPY on a 5-minute chart, I think it might be the one. You understand what I'm saying? So I am in that Nvidia. Just want to see how beautiful this bounce. If the bounce happens, stop loss is super tight. Not doing this is probably a disservice to the community of the charts. Nvidia profit target 224.1. Let's do this, baby. Someone. Absolutely beautiful. What a fucking profit taken across the board, baby. Stop loss break even.
Yeah, balls are deep, Sumesh. In PLTR.
I understand.
Man, I love your.
See, I understand, but have your stop loss break even. If you have taken profits, have your stop loss break even. No trade after you have taken some off should go. Let you get right on the day. All right. 30-minute work they look like. When the market is easy, go hard, baby. Tesla. Let's see if it does a full wick fill. We're only 5-minute chart right now, bro. All right.
Oh, look at that PLT. Fucking
What?
bitch.
It's NVIDIA
I have to share
right
that
now, bro. Fuck me. I would the things that I do to NVIDIA. Oh my goodness. Hey, take limit profits on this NVIDIA, darling. What a beautiful trade. Come on, darling.
Order partially.
No.
Order filled.
That trade looked way too good. It looked way too good to fucking ignore, right?
Fucking. Bro, shave some PLTR, guys, if you're not comfortable.
Fuck, boy. Too good.
What a profit taking, too.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. What did I say? Not taking NVIDIA trade is going to be a disservice to the members of the chart community. Hey, look at that profit taken. Fuck the members of the chart community. Daddy's home. Let's go. My goodness. He said, bro, what next? Bro, I just took 3 or 4 trades, darling. Is a man allowed to read? Look at that profit taken on Nvidia. If you took profit taken on Nvidia, you know for a fact. You want to know what's up? That profit taken is what's up. Have a look at the profit taken. Hey, have a look at that profit taken on Nvidia, babe. Come on.
Sick.
You still want to ask me what next? This man doesn't let me talk ever. Always ask me what next. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm out of Google. Well, Google is melting now. What can I do? Amish, you fucking nailed it, bro.
That's what
Pat on your fucking back.
that's what we do, right?
Let me send you something. Here, do this.
Where's Mr. Arvind? He rubbed it in. Remember vacation. Now we're gonna now we're gonna tell the man later you can vacation. No, very good vacation, bro. You miss your fucking good trades. Hey, remember he rubbed it in. He's a vacation. He's a vacation. Got paid. Back to vacation. Hey, I'm a Dexter guy. Fucking fuck your vacation, my J. Could have been better. Could have been better, baby. You rubbed it in. Very good. Look at that profit taking.
Okay.
Hang on, baby. It's like when you trade with Somesh, oh fuck, you're gonna make me in. Oh my goodness. Anyway, you're gonna make me income. Bro, what the fuck? All right. Hang on, baby. What an absolutely beautiful day we took this Nvidia towards the downside. One more time. What an absolutely beautiful trade. We took Tesla towards the downside, Nvidia towards the upside. We took this SPY. Hey guys, if you guys took this place, say fuck yes in the chat, everybody. Hundreds of people every single fucking day. You want to know what's up? This is what's up, baby. Hey. Yeah. This is how you do it. Honey, fucking folks, darling. You wanna know what's up? What's up?
जाने जा तुमसे मिलकर है बताना शाम नहीं काम वही तेरे बिना हो सनम नींद नहीं चैन नहीं तेरे बिना हो सनम शाम नहीं काम वही तेरे बिना हो सनम नींद नहीं चैन नहीं तेरे बिना हो सनम तेरी तेरी एक जिंदड़ी चुम चुम मैं गाँव के लिखूं तेरे लिए क्या करूं धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आ, धीरे धीरे से दिल को चुराना तुमसे प्यार हमें बिना जाने जा तुमसे मिलकर वो है बताना
Hey, what's up, y'all? Let's get to it. Let's get to it, baby. Let's get to it. What next? Where my money at? All right, let me scan the market. There's too many confluences. There's ORB low sitting at the bottom on this. There's ORB low sitting at the right at the top on this SPX. ORB low sitting on the SPY. Then we have 400 moving average on SPY, 200 moving average on SPX. VWAP up on QQQs. I believe right around here we can just smack that bitch for the downside once. Put a stop loss on the other side. Too many confluences looking at the chart. Nvidia hit break even, by the way, y'all.
order partially
Please,
filled.
please, please, please do not let a winning trade turn into a loser. You
Order
understand,
partially
y'all?
filled. Order filled.
Let's see how the SPY goes. Come on, SPY. Give me a fucking red candle, darling. I'll be very happy. SPY puts. Yeah, again, there's a peak moment in your day, you know, where the bell curve starts shaping towards the downside. You do not just keep on pushing towards the upside. There's a moment where the bell curve needs to turn towards the downside and start doing a smaller position size. Everybody, do you guys hear me? So there's a moment where you do that. And that moment probably is right now on this SPY for me. The reason why, there's a reason behind it. The reason why it is not LTP. It's not like a normal setup. It's still within the pre-market range. The Nvidia is still a little bit strong. I don't want to risk too much. So my bell curve doesn't just keep on increasing. My bell curve needs to prove itself to me that okay. So I did a little bit smaller position size. This one. If this trade doesn't work, guess what? The next trade is going to be smaller position size, so I can protect my gains. But if this trade works, I'm back into it. So it becomes the bell curve becomes higher highs and higher lows as well. Everybody, you understand what I'm saying? If the quality of the trade is not as good, you drop it. Now it becomes higher highs and higher lows again. So your bell curve, not a straight line. Right? You're right. Right? Right. Hang on, guys. I heard a massive loud bang. Hang on. What happened? Alan? What's wrong with you? Who gives a fuck took a loss, you rich motherfucker? Come on. You act like fucking you need money anymore. You know what I'm saying? QQQ's was able to get above the VWAP. All right, based of new information right now, we have 7750 sitting right at the top of this SPX. The contracts are kind of. mm, So what's the play? If this is a first trade of the day, bro, this is not your trade.
Fuck.
Alright. Just jumped on. Yeah, if this is the first trade of the day, this is not your trade. If you've already taken a few trades, you know, us risking a little bit of profit, see, it's different. What's the stop loss for SPY? Stop loss for SPY is gonna be probably on the other side of this ORB, but maybe a little candle close or otherwise 7750 for SPX. I still think it's looking all right. If we break through this 200 moving average or 400 moving average, it might get down to the lows, and that will really pay us. That makes sense. Hey, you got it, bro. What the fuck? You got it. I know you feel bad because somebody else might have lost money because who gives a fuck, bro? That's a game we're playing. You need money? Huh? It don't matter. It's a trade. It's a 50-50. 50-50 likelihood of working. Go home? Yeah. I'll give you money, bro. Yeah, $50. Yeah, $50. Yeah, you gotta dance for till the song ends. Hey, you gotta dance till the song ends, Buck. Like, oh my goodness. All right. So far, SPX moving. Let's see. I think Tesla looking fucking clean again, bro. To smack again. Tesla looks nice for adding to the trade. It's a video that I made yesterday about the flags. I don't know if anybody watched that video on Instagram that I made a video about flag patterns. That's essentially what's happening on Tesla right now, baby. Or you can watch YouTube shorts as well, Nathan. The team posts YouTube shorts too. Yeah, the dildo flag. Some chick message like, "Oh, you know too much about dildo." I'm like, "Lady, what the fuck?" And some chick message like, "You know too much about dildo." I'm like, "Lady, what the fuck?" Alright, come on. Uh, um, let's say Spy looking nice. Spy looking nice. The final candle was able to close below this major resistance. As long as now this candle, QQQ's closed below the VWAP as well. I mean, hey, it look not bad. The Tesla looks good as well, bro. Ain't gonna lie, the Tesla looks good. Tesla is essentially if you're still in the trade from early morning on Tesla, play around with it. You have you have the wiggle room to be able to do so. Hey, Spy, what did you? What Spy contracts did you guys end up doing? I did a little bit SPX, but what Spy contracts did you guys do? Gotta be 772, isn't it? What's the fill price on 772? Somebody said 1.4 fill price at the top somewhere. Can't be 1.4. I don't think them can't be. Yeah, 1. Yeah, can't be, yeah, no 1.4. This man fucking got robbed. Hey, bro, what broker you use? Some Chinese Timpu broker. He's a broke broker. I'm watching Tesla, chat. I'm watching Tesla. See if we. I'm watching Tesla for an ad, baby. Even an eye. So where's Maple? Bro, it's 12 o'clock at midnight. She is asleep. She's be alright. Hey, alright. She'll binge for fucking 15 minutes, then he'll forget about it. Well, again, as long as he binges without his broker open, don't matter. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, whenever you binge with your broker open, it's different. When you binge with your broker closed, life is good. Now you're allowed to fucking cry a little bit and and be upset about the trade not working or whatever. When the broker is open, that's where it hurts you. 7750, literally sitting right here, guys. I have my SPY stop loss ready to go just in case. 70 on the other side of 7750, and the VWAP right there. I'm still in. Auto ready to go. Still in, still in, still in. One 8485 and 772.95 is a VWAP right here. Otherwise, we're gonna do this, do advanced VWAP on this SPY, baby. VWAP 196 with the NAS candle closing 40 seconds. With the NAS still kind of holding below it. Dun 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 dun. Still in, still in, still in. So you're getting the new Revolto SV from the past 2 weeks. Bro bought a $30 million penthouse in Abu Dhabi. I need to fucking pay that off. Bro, you think I'm a billionaire? Fucking my. 30 million, sorry, 30 million. That would be 30. Hang on, I gotta fucking check what the fuck the price is. All I know is I paid 3 mil. I need to check. 3 mil AED, yeah, AED. My brother's handling all this shit. Hey, he says spy. Bro, how did you even get out of spy, man? Did you not hear? Hello, Talon, you not hear me? I was talking through near the stop loss. I was talking out loud. There we go. What's the next level for Tesla? 326.6 is a level. KC indicator level. After this, gonna be 325, man. Mm. Mhm. Are you still liking Spy? It still looks weak. I'm still in. Don't have a reason to sell. Down, I think. Let me see. Don't even look at the gains, man. Is the thing. If you look at the gains, if I know how much I'm down, if I'm green on the day now, or I'm red on the day now because of this, and you have emotions carrying your trade. I'm down 20% on this trade right now, or 25% on this trade. Um, can't look at the numbers too much. What do you like spy calls? I don't like spy calls for one simple reason, man. That reason is going to be how we are holding below 7750, kind of big dynamite level broke and then went back and retesting, and how the price action is rejecting a little bit. Also, there's a little bit of a trend line forming at the top on this QQQs. If you pay attention to the charts right now, there's a little trend line that has been holding quite decently on this QQQs, about 3-4 touches. Um, Again, I might be wrong. If I am, I'll gracefully accept. But yeah, it's overall also, if you look at the overall chart, it's making lower highs, lower lows on a 5 minute chart on SPY or QQQs or SPX. I'm just essentially trying to go with the trend right now. Major critical resistance is sitting at right here and going with the trend. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm not in a crazy big position size where I will be red on the day, but I still have decent size. Did you add on Tesla? No. Did you hear my broker say autofill? No. Yeah, if it passes the VWAP fully visually, yes, that's the point where I sell, and then probably will look for advanced VWAP setup on SPY. That's where the setup is no longer valid anymore. So far, getting above the bids and are still kind of looking meh. Still in. I've order ready to go. Bids and are still holding below the VWAP. It's just taking fucking forever. Still in. The candle closing. And the candle closed on the VWAP. Still in. The QQQ is closed above the VWAP. Every single candle has been touching VWAP on QQQ since the market opened on a 5 minute chart. So the significance of VWAP is almost next to nothing on this QQQs. Um, Still in. Said it passed. Bro, I should thought. Um, bro, only beginners look at the price. I don't when it's around a critical price point, I don't look at the price. I look at the bids and ask. Price is only for suckers. You need to see what's forming the price. Let's see if it fucking goes, man. This thing taking at this stage, I'd rather hit my stop loss and out, so I can do something else. Tesla
Fuck.
moving. Original trade on Tesla is massive. So I'm
Order partially filled.
I'm getting out of SPY.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order partially filled. Order filled. Order partially filled. Order filled.
I'm out of SPY. I think that this from this point, the sexy man, the fucking previous candle, if it would have closed above the VWAP, would have taken the advanced VWAP here. The bitch closed on the VWAP. Flush Tesla. I think Tesla can come down. It has broken the level. It can come down to 325.3 ish. 325.3 or 325.4. Roughly around there. Another dollar move. The SPY is, sorry, the Tesla is. Man, the Tesla moving. Holy moly. 80. Yeah,
Fuck yeah.
325.4 ish is where I'll start taking a sprinkle off. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Holiday here. Yeah, I know. Every time Mr. Holiday is around, either miss the trade or the trade don't work. Miss Arvind? Fuck. Did you get those? I was looking at the hourly chart, man. That's where I got the level from. At 320. You're talking about the 325 point? That's coming from August 5th.
Fuck.
And I've officially taken 10 losing trades. Fuck, I don't even think I lost 10 trades in the last 3 days. Hey, Alexandria, come on. I don't think I lost 10 trades in the last 3 days. One today, one yesterday, and I think couple 4. Hey, now I'm very, very good.
Come on. Come on.
Very good. Yeah. Also, tell us how many winning trades you took. Nah, Smash, I can't do that. That will give you a testimonial to use, baby. I can't say that. Hey. Um. All right. Tesla, guys, 325.4 nearly here. Please, take a little bit off right now. It's looking really, really good, but we gotta respect the levels, baby. Take a little bit off and let the runners run. If you have one contract, hold that bitch. All right. Holy, darling, those contracts going.
Got your killer going.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
fuck you, bitch.
Fuck
All
you!
the way. Hey, look at that spike. God. Fuck, wait. How the fuck do you not get emotional? Fuck. I'm sorry, darling. I'm sorry. I don't want to swear, but how can you not swear? Bro? Hey, Jet. You see a candle drop like a bitch? How can you not? Very, very good. It is what it is. Some days it'll be like this.
Let's go!
He said that happened because
All
I
right,
was the one
guys,
that
gotta
paid.
head out to
Right, we're
work
gonna kick
job.
this guy out.
Peace.
Done. Here we go. We found out.